Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu acquired a piece of land in Khaybar. He went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, I have got a piece of land that I have never got such a superb property before. What do you advise me about it? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if you wish, keep the land in your possession and give its profit income as alms. So he gave it as alms in this way that the land will neither be sold nor gifted to anyone nor inherited by anyone, and its income is for the poor, the kinsmen, those who manumit the slave, the cause of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the guests and the wayfarers. There is no sin for the trustee if he eats according to the requirement or gives to any of his poor friends to eat, provided he must not have an intention to amass property. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2772.